Hey everybody, Happy New Year! John Bead sent me their new embroidery kit over the holidays and I spent a few days relaxing and making some beaded and embroidered hearts. Look at all these colors, and it even comes with beads, clippers, needles, a seam ripper, and needle threaders. They also sent a few tubes of size 8 seed bead mixes. I really like working with the size 8 beads. I just love the size. For this project, I pulled out and ironed some patterned scrap fabrics. You'll also need stuffing and a simple heart pattern. Iron your pieces flat and then add some medium weight interfacing to the backs of each piece. Using a permanent marker that matches the fabric, draw around the heart. Now the fun part. Pick out some matching embroidery threads and start embellishing the patterns with stitches. You don't have to be a professional embroiderer, just follow the patterns and add some texture. Create little knots if you're a pro, and follow the edges of the patterns. You can make random stitches or use a simple split stitch, whatever you want. Once you're happy with the stitching, pour out some seed beads. Thread anywhere from 6 to 8 beads for lines of beads, then secure by going through the last 3 or 4 beads and then adding more beads to your row. If you're adding rows of 3 beads, you can just stitch them on and keep going. This is important. You want to make sure that you leave about 1/4 of an inch around the edge of the heart so that when you cut out your heart, you don't sever the thread that holds the beads. Keep adding beads until you're happy with how it looks. Pick out some thicker fabrics for the back of your work and pin it in place. The heart shape's history is ancient, but it became linked to love in the Middle Ages, evolving from a pear or pinecone-like depiction in art to the modern symbol by the 14th and 15th centuries, representing courtly love before becoming a universal icon for romance. Using embroidery thread, stitch around the heart, leaving a hole large enough to add your stuffing, and then stitch the hole closed. Widespread adoption of the heart symbol became a standard suit in playing cards by the 15th century. By the 18th and 19th centuries, it was a common motif in love notes, Valentine's Day cards, and jewelry, becoming the universal symbol of love as we know it today. If you have enough extra thread, add more stitches to the heart and then secure the thread. Finally, cut around the shape with pinking shears and you're done. I just love how these look. Perfect for Valentine's Day too. I'm going to leave a link to everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment, and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to press that notification bell so that you know I have a new video. If you want inspiration that I don't share anywhere else, follow me on Patreon. And if you want even more inspiration, grab one of my craft books. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts Volume 2, and I'll see you real soon. Bye, everybody.